Hello, my name is Sam DeCero, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make Amish friendship bread. The unique thing about Amish friendship bread is it's the only bread that takes 240 hours to make because you have to let the starter ferment for 10 days. What I have right here in a bowl is the remainder of the starter. So what we have here then is the starter, 2 cups of flour, 3 teaspoons of baking powder, and 1 teaspoon of salt. Next thing we're going to add is the 1 cup of oil. Now we're going to add 1/2 cup of milk. You're going to need to add 1 large box of pudding, instant pudding. Now I wouldn't suggest using sugar-free because it's not a sugar-free recipe. So just pour your pudding mix in there. Whole entire box. Doesn't matter if you use just generic brand or Jello like I do. Now we're going to take 2 teaspoons of cinnamon. I'm going to do 2 teaspoons in the bread. I'm going to take 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Next thing we're going to do is add 1 cup of sugar. Next thing we're going to do is add 1 cup of sugar. And then the last thing that we're going to do is do the eggs. So I'm just going to take the 3 eggs, pour it into their batter. And then like I said, we can't use metal. So your best bet's going to be just grab a big wooden spoon, something like that, so that you can scrape the sides. And then you're just going to mix it in. So that's what you want your bread dough to look like afterwards. You want to make sure to scrape all the sides, especially underneath, because sometimes you can get flour down there, but as you can see there's none down there. So we're all good. So when you take your pans, you want to just spray them with any kind of non-stick spray, evenly coated. Since I can't pour batter into the pans and hold the phone at the same time, I'm going to just explain to you what I'm going to do now. You're going to take some sugar and cinnamon and just sprinkle it on the insides of the pan so that when you bake the bread sticks to it. Here we are, bread pan's lined with cinnamon and sugar, and then the bread. We're going to be in the oven on the middle rack for about an hour. There's the bread, 325 for an hour, sprinkled with the sugar and cinnamon mixture. And that's how you make Amish friendship bread.